Hey guys, if you only get jobs when people refer you, your business is fragile. Today I'm going to speak to you guys about 3 things that we do here at Cutting Edge Innovative to generate month after month qualified leads. Let's jump in it. Number 1, we don't wait, we create demand. By simply creating ads, running social media campaigns, and giving educational information, we set ourselves as the expert. And by doing this, people trust us because they know that we know what we're talking about. So that's number 1. Make sure that you actually running ads and being everywhere so that people could see your content and see you as the to-go person for that particular job.
If you want the same exact systems we use today to qualify, present, and close $100,000 projects, text me the word sales to 786-949-3719, and I'll send over to you our sales closers blueprint for free. You're welcome.
Number 2, we use a CRM to track everything. Having a CRM not only helps us follow up constantly, but it helps us reminder where we left off the conversation. What was said? What was important to them? Where should we follow up? In addition to that, we track every conversation, every phone call, every text message, and everything is tracked under one place, which makes it very easy for us to continue. And number 3, and most important, we build trust by educating. Everything that we do, we give away for free to our ideal client to educate them. So that builds tremendous trust. So whenever our ideal client has a job, thinking about it, the first person that they're gonna contact is gonna be Cutting Edge Innovative. So try these 3 tips and watch you start getting more jobs, more calls, and not just relying on referrals. Can't stop, won't stop. I'll see you at the next one. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.